They were waiting for a second. Tag teaming old Moose. Hey! Settle down with the tag team a little bit. Fucking Ginger. Oh! That's Olivia. It's Olivia talking. Oh, I thought I had another good ball. Drive like lightning, crash like thunder. Oh, Olivia didn't see it? Oh, what's up, girl? What you doing, fool? See, bitches, this is why I told you should wait. Here. Oh, we're peeing. Wow. Oh. Look here. There you go, run. Run, run, run. Wrestling's good, but running. Olivia. Olivia's funny. You got, who's got the big one? Oh, here's the green one. You got the big one? Oh, you got the shitty one. Well, it's a good one to you guys. Where's the big one? Oh, I see it. Ready? This guy right here. They're gonna beat each other up. Ready? Man, I'll let you suckers talk me into coming out now. I said we should wait until 2, and then I listened to you. It was stopped when we first came out. And it started right when we got out here, didn't it? It started once we got out here. Hey, girl. What's up, buddy? Boozy. The boozy boy. Give me the boss. I need some music, right? Wapa! What's that, dude? Go cruise around. You gotta go poo-poo? Huh? Hey. Did they find out a good ball? Because here's one right here. You guys need to chase Olivia. Look at her go. Boom! Somebody going home dirty. Somebody going home dirty. Where's Boozy? There's oh, he's right here. It's Waylon's over there. Man, it's coming down now, guys. Not heavy, steady. Steady as they roll. This guy's like, I don't care about dogs. Hey, drama queen. I like to make sure when they fall like that, even though she's being the drama queen, that they don't, not that they're gonna fight her. Not that they're gonna fight or nothing, but just so they let them up. Bust ass and get up. Olivia's giving Ginger a dose of her own shit. Ginger loves getting them back legs. Olivia, have you always done that? Or have you only been doing that since Ginger been coming? You getting her back? Watch them go, see them fly until they get busted ass. Boom. Olivia getting a little wild, right? Hi, buddy. He's like, bitch, you woke me up for this shit? You got some hot dogs? How long is this? 8 minutes? I'm about to slow him down, huh? Ginger, let's see. Hey! Good girl. Good job. Good job. They all stopped on the one hay. Yeah. Let's grab the leashes and go walk.